This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on an Audi A4 B8. First, ensure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is about half full. Position your car 25 feet from a wall on a level surface. Mark the center of your headlights and the height of the beam cutoff on the wall. This setup is crucial for accurate adjustments. Now, let's tackle the vertical adjustment. Open your hood and find the vertical adjustment screw, usually a white plastic gear, on the back of each headlight unit. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn it. Remember, a small turn makes a big difference. Aim for the beam's top edge to be about 2 inches below your marked headlight center on the wall. Next, we move to horizontal adjustment. The horizontal screw is typically located close to the vertical one, sometimes requiring a different tool, like an Allen wrench. Adjust each headlight so the brightest part of its beam is directly in front of the car's center line. This prevents blinding oncoming drivers and ensures your path is well lit. Take your time for precision. After adjusting, take your Audi for a short drive on a dark road to confirm the beam pattern is correct and provides optimal visibility without dazzling others. Fine-tune if necessary. Proper headlight alignment significantly enhances night driving safety. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.